I washed my clothes in the morning. She smiled when she saw the gift. They are waiting outside the school gate. He is listening to music on his headphones. The teacher asked us to read aloud. My parents are planting flowers in the garden. She is wearing a beautiful silver necklace. I enjoy walking in the fresh air. They are eating lunch in the cafeteria. The birds are singing on the tree. I need to finish my homework tonight. She is looking for her lost earrings. The car stopped in front of my house. We are learning new words every day. He bought a pair of black shoes. She is preparing tea for the guests. The dog is barking loudly at strangers. I like to watch the sunrise from my window. They are waiting for the train at the station. The baby is laughing happily. He cleaned his room before going out. I'm thinking about my future plans. She is painting a picture of the mountains. We are visiting our grandparents this weekend. He is carrying a heavy bag on his shoulder. The students are reading quietly in the library. I drink a glass of milk every morning. She decorated the room with colorful balloons. He is repairing his old bicycle. The children are dancing on the stage. I can hear the sound of rain outside. She often writes poems in her diary. They are celebrating their wedding anniversary. He is walking to the office in the rain. The bus is crowded with passengers. I am learning how to drive a car. She is cooking rice for dinner. They are playing cricket on the ground. The baby is crawling on the floor. He is opening the door slowly. I saw a rainbow after the rain. She is singing a sweet song. We are talking about our summer holiday plans. He is drinking a glass of cold water. The teacher is checking the notebooks. I am looking at the stars in the sky. She is shopping for new clothes. They are planting trees near the roadside. He is reading the morning newspaper. The train is moving very fast. She is combing her long hair. I am writing a letter to my friend. They are cleaning their house together. The flowers are blooming in the garden. He is cutting vegetables in the kitchen. We are walking along the riverbank. She is listening carefully to the instructions. I'm learning new skills every day. They are fixing the broken chair. He is brushing his teeth in the bathroom. The sun is setting behind the hills. She is wearing a pair of blue jeans. I am waiting for my order to arrive. They are laughing at a funny joke. He is painting the wall white. The children are climbing the trees. She is playing the piano beautifully. I am feeling better after taking medicine. They are helping the poor with food. He is running to catch the bus. The baby is clapping her hands. She is teaching English to small children. I am enjoying the cool breeze. They are preparing for the school competition. He is watching the news on television. The cow is eating grass in the field. She is packing her clothes for the trip. I'm saving money for a new phone. They are standing in a long queue. He is talking politely to everyone. The girl is watering the plants. I'm waiting at the bus stop. They are practicing for the football match. He is looking at the beautiful painting. She is walking with her little dog. I am cooking pasta for lunch. They are playing with colorful balloons. He is opening a gift box happily. The birds are flying in the clear sky. She is telling a story to the children. I am drinking orange juice. They are enjoying their picnic in the park. He is carrying water in a bucket. The old man is sitting under the tree. She is studying hard for the exam. I am cleaning my shoes with a brush. They are singing together in the choir. He is running fast in the race. The sun is rising in the east. I am waiting for the rain to stop. She has eaten apple for breakfast. They are watching birds with binoculars. He is drawing a picture of his family. The shopkeeper is selling fresh fruits. I am walking slowly on the wet road. She is opening the window to let in air. They are talking about their future goals. He is washing his hands before dinner. I am writing notes in my notebook. She is choosing a dress from the shop. They are laughing at a funny cartoon. He is searching for a job online. I am drinking hot tea in the evening. She is listening to her favorite song. They are buying gifts for their friends. He is fixing his broken watch. I am walking with my friend after school. She is cooking soup for the family. They are watching the stars at night. He is speaking to the teacher politely. I am learning to swim in the pool. She is sitting on the balcony quietly. They are painting their house yellow. He is cleaning the blackboard with a duster. I am standing near the window. She is carrying a basket of mangoes. They are preparing for the dance show. He is calling his mother on the phone. I am writing an email to my teacher. She is playing badminton with her brother. They are working together in the office. He is waiting at the railway station. I'm brushing my hair before going out. She is putting sugar in the tea. They are reading a storybook together. He is feeding the dog with biscuits. I am learning how to make a website. She is watching children play in the park. They are standing outside the classroom. He is cutting paper with scissors. I'm cleaning my desk before studying. She is writing her name on the notebook. They are climbing up the hill. He is taking photos of the sunset. I'm listening to my favorite podcast. She is riding a bicycle to school. They are drawing pictures on the wall. He is washing his car with soap. I'm learning how to speak Spanish. She is cooking vegetables in the kitchen. They are helping the teacher in class. He is checking his emails at work. I am buying a ticket for the concert. She is tying her shoelaces. They are carrying heavy bags on their shoulders. He is standing near the traffic light. I'm drinking cold water after exercise. She is looking at herself in the mirror. They are making noise in the classroom. He is running quickly across the road. I'm practicing English every day. She is reading a poem to her sister. They are clapping for the winner. He is repairing his broken phone. I'm waiting in line to buy bread. She is smiling at her little brother. They are painting pictures of animals. He is walking in the garden after dinner. I am eating a sandwich with cheese. She is speaking to her friend on video call. They are singing loudly at the festival. He is lighting a candle in the dark. I'm writing answers in the exam hall. She is cutting a cake on her birthday. They are working hard for their dreams. He is playing chess with his uncle. I'm drinking coffee with my cousin. She is waiting for her bus at the stop. They are shouting happily after winning. He is sitting near the fireplace. I am learning new English words daily. She is opening the cupboard to find clothes. They are planting flowers in small pots. He is walking slowly because he is tired. I am reading a magazine in the library. She is eating noodles with chopsticks. They are flying kites in the sky. He is looking at the old photographs. I am visiting my aunt this weekend. She is holding her baby in her arms. They are standing near the river bridge. He is listening carefully to the lecture. I'm cleaning my glasses with a cloth. She is coloring the picture with crayons. They are sitting on the grass in the park. He is learning how to play the piano. I am cooking breakfast for my family.